What's going on today, guys? A lot has changed since the last video pertaining to crypto as a whole. As you know, yesterday crypto absolutely tanked, and this morning it wasn't performing great. However, since then, it's 5:47 p.m. Central Standard Time. It has almost fully recovered since it tanked yesterday, and here's why. So, a couple days ago, the SEC was after Binance and Binance's CEO, and they were actually going to temporarily seize Binance's all of Binance's assets, just for whatever reason. I'm not sure. So obviously they're trying to get a restraining order for that, and then also the SEC is suing Coinbase, which is a very major exchange, being attacked by the SEC. So not good news for crypto today. But it honestly hasn't affected the markets as bad as I had expected. I'm assuming that this is, people don't really see this as a huge threat, which honestly I don't really either. Stuff like this kind of happens. I wouldn't say regularly. Definitely doesn't happen regularly, but it happens, and it's never usually the end of the world. Unless a crypto exchange goes down, as we saw with FTX and all of the other ones underneath it. So yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the news. Charts are kind of looking the same. I mean, I'm kind of playing the long term here. I'm not really in it for the short term at the moment. I obviously do have a trade in for the short term, but again, very light. I just have skin in the game, if anything, nothing crazy. And then my long-term portfolio, let's switch over here to the weekly charts. As you guys saw in the last video, if you didn't watch it, basically I mentioned that we are forming a cup and handle potentially on the Ethereum chart here, or Bitcoin, wherever. It's all kind of doing the same thing. But pretty much where we're at on the cup and handle. So you have the cup, and then we're basically at the handle, which then would shoot us up to around $3,500 was my predicted price target. Of course, do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you to buy or do any of that. Just giving you my opinion. And so yes, we would be in the handle phase of the cup and handle. So looking for a breakout within the next couple of weeks, if possible. That would be great. But honestly, other than that, there's not a whole lot else to cover. This is this has been a very short video, I know, but I did need to update you guys, as we saw yesterday with the market absolutely tanking, and then today with the recovery towards the end of the day just a few hours ago. And that's pretty much all I have for today. So if you guys found value in this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, turn the bell notification on. Otherwise, hitting the subscribe button was absolutely pointless. So go ahead and do that. And thank you guys for watching.